Hey everyone, this is your tech buddy from Pixelinto. Welcome back. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been out for a while now, but it's still one of the most powerful foldables you can buy in 2025. With its refined design, brighter display, and flagship performance, this phone shows how far foldables have come. So let's go through the full specifications of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and see what makes it stand out even today.
The Galaxy Z Fold 7 carries Samsung's most refined foldable design yet. Sleek, solid, and built to impress. It features a titanium hinge, making it lighter and more durable, giving that smooth, confident fold every time you open or close it. Less visible, and the overall design feels more polished and premium. As for colors, the Z Fold 7 comes in blue shadow, silver shadow, and jet black, each shade giving the phone a bold, futuristic look that truly stands out.
Now start exploring your Galaxy Z Fold 7, a foldable that's slimmer than ever, just 4.2 millimeters when unfolded, and 8.9 millimeters even when folded. It's also ultra-light at only 215 grams. The frame is crafted from advanced armor aluminum, giving it a durable and lightweight structure. Both the front and back are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2. On the front, you get a 6.5-inch FHD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X cover display with 120 Hz refresh rate, 2600 nits peak brightness, and a resolution of 2520 by 1080. Open it up and you're greeted by a stunning 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main display, also running at 120 Hz with 2600 nits brightness and a resolution of 2184 by 1968. With thinner borders, smoother folds, and vivid brightness, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 delivers Samsung's most advanced. And to finish it off, the design and build are now stronger and more flexible than ever before, perfectly balancing durability with elegance.
Z Fold 7, built strong with IP68 protection.
The Galaxy Z Fold 7 packs a 4400 mAh dual-cell battery, optimized for Samsung's foldable design. It supports 25-watt fast charging, capable of powering up to 50% in just about 30 minutes. You also get wireless and reverse wireless charging, making it easy to power your accessories on the go. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 offers 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB and 512 GB storage options, while the 1 TB model comes with a powerful 16 GB of RAM, giving you smooth, fast performance and plenty of space for everything you need. On the right side, you'll find the power button with an integrated fingerprint sensor, and just above it, the volume up and down buttons. The SIM card slot is placed on the left side of the device. At the bottom, you get the USB Type-C charging port, stereo speakers, and a primary microphone, giving a clean, balanced design that fits perfectly in hand, whether folded or unfolded.
The Galaxy Z Fold 7 comes with a powerful triple camera setup, a 200-megapixel wide lens with OIS and 2x optical zoom. Then comes the 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with f2.2 aperture and autofocus. There's a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture, OIS, 3x optical zoom, and up to 30x digital zoom.
And the 10-megapixel front camera with an f2.2 aperture, capturing clear, bright selfies every time. And the most powerful processor in Galaxy right, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, featuring an 8-core CPU clocked at 4.47 GHz, built on an advanced 3nm architecture. It delivers a 38% faster CPU, 41% smarter NPU, and a 26% stronger GPU, pushing the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to a whole new level of performance.
The Galaxy Z Fold 7 runs on One UI 8, designed for a seamless foldable experience. It brings smarter multitasking, improved app continuity, and deeper customization, making every swipe faster and every fold smoother.
The Galaxy Z Fold 7 pushes the limits of power and design. For more next-level tech, make sure to like, share, and subscribe right here on Pixel